अभी हमने जो भी डिराइव किया था हाफ ए बी साइन थीटा हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट फॉर द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. Okay, we saw that this comes out to be half into AC sine B. Okay, can I say this is the same as half into BC sine A? Same thing, right? B into C into sine of the angle between them, and half into AC sine B. So half into A into C into sine of the angle between them, right? Okay, all these three equations, okay, or all these three formulae give you the area of the same triangle ABC. So we equate them. When we equate them, okay, we observe that half can be cancelled out. Okay, I cancelled out half, and dividing throughout by ABC, I will get sine C upon C equals sine A upon A equals sine B upon B. Okay, this is applicable for any triangle in the world, guys. Okay, sine C upon C equals sine A upon A equals sine B upon B. This is called as a sine rule. Okay, many of you all like might have studied this in 12th. It's a sine rule. Okay, yahi se aata hai, area of triangle se aata hai. Okay, now let's go on to our question based on this. In a triangle ABC, angle B is pi by 3, angle C is pi by 4, and point D divides BC internally in the ratio 1:3. Find the value of sine of angle BAD upon sine of angle CAD. Okay. Now, before we go on further, guys, यहाँ पे उन्होंने angle B को pi by 3 दिखाया है. Okay. Now, writing the angle in terms of multiple of fractions of pi, it's just another way of writing out angles. Okay. And this measure is called as measure in radians. Okay, and there's a very simple way of conversion, guys. Always remember pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, it's as simple as that. अब आपको pi by 3 चाहिए, so we divide both sides ऊपर नीचे by 3. Okay, in short you can just divide actually both sides by 3, वो भी चल जाएगा, multiply करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So divide just the left hand side and right hand side by 3. You will have pi by 3 is equal to 180 upon 3, which is 60 degrees, right? So pi by 3 is nothing but 60 degrees. Same way you want pi by 4, divide left hand side and right side both by 4. You have pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. So likewise, guys, you can convert any angle in radians to degrees or degrees to radian. Okay, remember pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Then you can compare. Okay, so you can just try it out, pause the video, and then we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is the triangle ABC. AD is the line we're talking about, the point D dividing BC internally in the ratio 1:3. Now what we'll do is we'll first apply, guys, sine rule in the triangle ABD. When we do that, we'll have sine of angle ABD. Okay, this angle, sine of angle ABD upon its opposite side, AD here in this case, right? Same way, sine of angle BAD, this angle divided by the opposite side, BD. Okay, this is the sine rule we saw, sine C upon C, sine B upon B, sine A upon A. Sine of the angle divided by opposite side, basically. Okay. Now, ABD is given to us, right? Angle B is given to us as pi by 3 or 60 degrees, right? So basically, we substitute this as sine 60. Okay, sine 60 hota hai, guys, root 3 by 2. Yeah, aa gaya apna root 3 by 2. AD is as such. Okay, and we basically take the 2 and root 3s on the right hand side. Okay, so the equation will become 1 by AD equals to 2 sine BAD, sine of angle BAD divided by root 3 BD. Okay, again, we apply the same sine rule in triangle ACD now. In triangle ACD, guys, again, we have same thing, sine of angle ACD upon side AD. Okay, this will be equal to sine of angle CAD, this angle, divided by side CD, right? Okay, so sine of angle ACD, ACD question में कितना दिया है, guys? अपने को pi by 4 और 45 degrees दिया हुआ है, right? We have seen the conversion just now. Conversion, divide pi and 180 both by 4, we get pi by 4 equals to 45, right? So sine 45 upon AD will be same as sine CAD upon DC, right? This is the sine rule. This is what we get. And take the root 2 on the right hand side, we have 1 by AD equals to root 2 sine CAD divided by DC. Now, both these two equations give you the value for 1 upon AD. We simply equate them. Okay, when you equate them, take Sinbad and Sincard, sine BAD and sine CAD, both on the left hand side, all the values on the right. Now, this is how we get root 6 divided by 2 into BD by DC. Now, guys, D is a point that divides BC in the ratio 1:3. So, DD by DC का value कितना हो जाएगा? 1:3 or 1 by 3. Put in that, you will get sine BAD upon sine CAD as root 6 by 6. Cancelling out root 6 ऊपर नीचे, sine BAD upon sine CAD is 1 by root 6. That is the required answer. Okay, guys, so we'll go on further to the next part. We have something called as the cosine rule. You can just write the Pythagoras theorem for two triangles ABD, ACD and equate them. AD ka value equate karo, you get the same. Okay, so I'll tell you how to remember that. So in a triangle, okay, let's say triangle ABC here. Okay, this is the capital A, your vertex A, this is the capital B, this is capital C. Okay, ये हो गया side A, ये हो गया side B, ये हो गया side C. Okay, now suppose you're talking about cos of angle A. Okay, the cosine rule for angle A. Okay, the cosine rule for A will be written as cos A is equal to, अब A के opposite में कौन सा side है? Small a, right? So write this is minus a square. The remaining sides are B and C. So you will have B square plus C square upon the remaining sides were B and C, right? So 2 into B into C. Okay. Likewise, I wanted to write the equations for the cosine of B and cosine of C in the same fashion. Okay. And you can just check. So cosine of C kya ho jayega, guys? Cosine of C will be A square plus B square, the adjacent sides minus the opposite side ka square, divide by 2 into the adjacent sides A and B in this case, right? Same thing and same way you can write the cosine equation for cos B, A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. As simple as that. Let's solve a question based on this, guys. So this is called, as I said, the cosine rule. We'll solve one question, and this is how it goes. In isosceles triangle ABC, with AB equals to AC equals to 8 centimeters, D is any point on line BC such that AD equals to 6 and BD equals to 4. Find the length of DC. You can just pause the video and just try it out. Okay, guys. So if you want to solve it without the cosine rule, let's see how we can solve this. So we have the isosceles triangle ABC, AB and AC both are given as 8 units or 8 centimeters precisely. BD is given as 4, right? And AD is given as 6 units, right? All the values I've highlighted for you just now. And you need to find the length of DC, okay? हमको DC find करना है. What I will do is, I'll drop a perpendicular on DC, okay? Or rather on the side BC from point A, okay? And I call this point as E. Now guys, ABC is an isosceles triangle. For an isosceles triangle, we know the altitude from this vertex on the on the base is nothing but the median also, right? So it's actually the perpendicular bisector, right? So what I will do is I'll call this length BE as equal to X. तो CE भी कितना हो जाएगा? X हो जाएगा, right? Okay. Now understand, guys. हमें BD की वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दी हुई है 4, right? And BE we took as X. So DE कितना हो जाएगा, guys? DE will be this X minus this 4, right? X minus 4 units. Okay. And the question demands the length of DC, which will be this entire length, right? So the answer is X plus X minus 4. So the question demands the value D, which is X plus X minus 4, which is 2X minus 4. Okay, हमको ये find करना है. All right. Now to do that, what I will do is I'll use the same ladder wala question we solved, right? If I remember, ladder को यहाँ से यहाँ shift किया था. Hypotenuse was same, so we equated them. यहाँ पे hypotenuse नहीं, यहाँ पे the perpendicular side will be same. So let's solve it. In triangle AEC, we take the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle AEC. Okay, we have AE square plus EC square is AC square. Okay, so AC we have is 8, EC is X, and AE is the perpendicular side. So AE square will be 8 square minus X square, right? Same way, let's consider triangle ADE, guys. This small triangle here, this thinnest triangle here, right? In this, okay, you can apply ADE, Pythagoras theorem. So AD square will be ED square plus AE square. ED is X minus 4 and AD is 6. So AE square is 6 square minus X minus 4 square. Just equate these two equations for AE square. Okay, we just equate these two, and constants on one side, the variables on the other, we use A square minus B square, A plus B, A minus B. So X plus X minus 4 and X minus X plus 4 on the left hand side. Right hand side will be 8 plus 6, 8 minus 6. Okay, so X minus X cancel ho jayega right left hand side pe. So you will have only 4, and on the right hand side you will have 8 plus 6 into 8 minus 6. Okay, 2x minus 4, it will be DC equals to 28 upon 4 equals to 7. This is your answer. See there, 2x minus 4 mil jayega, right? Okay, so the answer is 7. Okay. All right, guys. So I will solve the same question now using cosine rule. Let's see how we do that. We have triangle ABD, this triangle here. Okay, जिसका मुझे तीनों sides दिया हुआ है 8, 6 and 4. Okay, so I'll first apply cosine rule in this triangle. Okay, so applying cosine rule in triangle ABD, I have cos B is equal to 8 square plus 4 square minus 6 square divided by 2 AB into BD. So 2, 8 into 4. Okay, you can put the values, or you can just keep it as such also. I prefer keeping it likewise for time being. Now I assume DC as equal to X unit, guys. जो मुझे find करना है यहाँ पे, I'm keeping it as X. Okay, and I apply cosine rule in the big triangle now. Okay, for the big triangle ABC, I'm applying cosine rule for angle B. So right, angle B will be in this case cos of B, that will be AB square BC square minus AC square divided by twice of AB into BC here, right? Now, since both of the angles are same, okay, we can equate the cosine values. When you do that, 2AB cancel ho jayega dono mein, right? And I substitute the values. AB I put as 8, BD I put as 4, AD I put as 6. Okay, same way AB I put as 8, BC is nothing but x plus 4, right? BC is this entire thing, x plus 4. Okay, and AC also is 8. So plugging in the values here, okay, 8 square minus a square will again get cancelled out. X plus 4 एक बार कट जाएगा. This will be 8 square plus 4 square minus 6 square. 64 plus 16 is 80 minus 36 48 upon 4. 48 हो जाएगा upon 4. This will be 44 upon 4, sorry, will be 11. And on the right hand side, x plus 4. So x plus 4 is equal to 11, x is equal to 7. That's the required answer. Okay, so you can solve the same question using the cosine rule also.